You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this waterfall in the state of New York, United States. For more names from the area that can be a bit confusing in the US, make sure to stay tuned. Let's break it down. It's easy once you know the spelling is confusing. Taughannock, T-Gan-Ek. The stress is on the second syllable. Taughannock Falls State Park. Taughannock Falls, Taughannock. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.